Warm welcome to the world of opportunities. You might have heard about cryptocurrencies or at least Bitcoin, which is going to dominate our world in the coming era. You might have heard these terms several times from your colleagues, friends, or relatives. However, you never thought of entering into this new world of magical opportunities, right? What was the reason behind it? You might have discussed cryptocurrencies with someone who doesn't know the actual potential of this amazing opportunity. Or you may not have enough money to invest to reap the benefits. Otherwise, you may not have the sufficient time to analyze and understand the treasure hidden in this world of digital currencies. Here we are, opening the ocean of opportunities, even if you do not know the complete details about cryptocurrencies. Here we are, opening the magical world of the digital economy, even before you are exploring the whole techniques of crypto. Here we are, extending an opportunity to enter this domain by investing a very nominal amount which is surely affordable by you. Before proceeding further, you need to know certain keywords which will be helpful for you to understand this business. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are part of the virtual currency group. A cryptocurrency uses cryptography technology that keeps your transaction secure and authentic. Such cryptocurrencies exist and are transacted over dedicated blockchain based technologies that are open to the common public. But why are people afraid of cryptocurrencies? One of the most popular reasons for critics to dismiss cryptocurrency is the notion that it doesn't have any real value tied to it. While many people believe that Bitcoin could one day replace gold in terms of value, others believe that it has no real value and will eventually be worth little to nothing. But is this really true? No. The answer is a very big no. Technology is growing in a rocket fast manner. The governments are making rules and regulations to make cryptocurrencies a legal and authentic currency to transact. Then why do we need to stay away from it? Why say no to the whole world of opportunities? The second reason for not investing in cryptocurrencies is due to the high fluctuations in the crypto world and the high denomination of money required to buy and own cryptocurrencies. Here is a piece of good news to you. By using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques, we are converting the fluctuations in the crypto market as an opportunities and reap benefits on a day-to-day basis. How to do that? By allowing us to manage our crypto business by renting a robot. Renting a robot? Is it possible? Well, yes, we can get the service of a robot, most often called as a bot, at a nominal rate of $100 to $120 per year. And the robot will take care of your trade on a 24 into 7 basis. Is it a great idea? Well, yes. Let us learn more about it. The opportunity of using the robot which we are introducing here is called RoyalQ. In the next episode, we are showing you how to set up your first crypto business at a nominal investment by using RoyalQ. For more details, please read the description of this video. Thank you.